Hi everyone, it's Mayura here. In yoga, we do a lot of forward bends which require flexibility in the back of your leg, which are your hamstrings and your calf muscles. So today we'll be learning 5 easy asanas which will help bring flexibility in our hamstrings and our calf muscles and make our forward bendings much more easier. So let's get started.
First asana. Come to a downward facing dog, keeping your legs hip-waist apart, pressing your hands on the floor nicely, pushing your hips up towards the ceiling. If your heels do not touch the floor completely, you can start bending each leg and giving a good stretch to the other leg. You can do this a couple of times, and once you feel comfortable, you can try to press your heels completely on the floor and hold. Second asana. You can take support of the blocks or books, whatever you have. Press your right leg between the blocks and left leg back in 45 degrees. You can press your hands on the block and stay there. You want to try to keep your hips squared at all times. If you're comfortable, you can reduce the distance in the blocks and hold, trying to keep the back straight. And if you're further more comfortable, you can reduce the distance even more and hold. If you're very much comfortable, you can just get rid of the blocks, press your hands on the floor and bend forward down completely. You can repeat it on the other side. Take your left leg between your hands and right leg back in 45 degrees. Inhaling, lift your chest up. Exhaling, bend forward down completely and hold there. You can use blocks if you need them. Third asana. Keeping your feet together, place the blocks or books next to your feet. Press your hands on them, trying to keep your back straight. If you're comfortable, you can start reducing the distance of the blocks and hold. But make sure you do not want to push yourself too much. You just want to stay till wherever you can go and just hold there. If you're very much comfortable, you get rid of the blocks and press your hands on the floor and take your head completely inside. Or you can just hold your ankles from behind, and as you exhale, take your head completely in. Fourth asana. Come to sitting. Press the sole of your right leg to your left thigh, keeping the blocks next to you and pressing your hands on them and hold them. If you're comfortable, you can start moving the blocks further and hold. If you can reach your toes, hold there. If not, you can still be behind and hold. Try not to push yourself too much. If you're very much comfortable, get rid of the blocks. You can hold the foot from the side, and as you exhale, you can bend forward down completely. You can repeat the same thing on the other side, keeping the blocks next to you, pressing the hands on the blocks. You can keep crawling forward with the blocks till the time you're comfortable. Otherwise, just stay till wherever your body allows you to. And once you're comfortable, you can hold the foot from the side and bend forward down completely. Fifth asana. Keep your feet together, flex your legs, place the blocks next to you and press your hands on them. Same way you will keep crawling forward with the blocks till the time you reach your toes. And if you're very much comfortable, release the blocks, hold the foot from outside as you inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to bend forward down completely and stay.
So these were some really easy asanas which you can practice daily to increase the flexibility in your hamstrings and calf muscles. You can hold each posture for 5 to 8 breaths and you can repeat the set twice on both the sides. post your practice videos on Instagram and Facebook, and do not forget to tag me. I would love to watch them. If you have any particular request of tutorial you want me to make, do comment below and definitely make them. And if you like this video, share it to as many people as possible so that more and more people get a